How often you get an opportunity to buy a great family home in Halswell with a 3-car garaging? Welcome to another listed by Jiby Thomas. Today we are at 9 Provincial Road, Halswell. Let's go and I'll show you around. Owners built this home brand new and has spared no expenses, and making sure 248 square meter floor plan gives you enough room to move around. Offering 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2 living and an office space with a 3-car garaging to top it off. Loaded with high quality appliances including an integrated dishwasher. Lot of features including high ceiling, radiator heater throughout the house, fireplace, heat pump, separate laundry, you name it. Situated on a generous 873 square meter section, and a home like this not going to last in the market forever. I'm Jiby Thomas from Ray White. Give me a ring now before it's too late.